Hello, welcome back. This is one small competition to predict the semi-finalists for the World Cup 2023. From the current matches, I just put together all the top 6 teams. That's India, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. And what are the remaining matches left? And if they win the remaining matches, what will be the point at which they will end up? I request you to just go through and update your predictions. Just few points to call out from the competition. Top 10 predictions are eligible for a token of appreciation from our end. You need to subscribe to our channel and update the semi-finalists in the comment box. The timeline to complete is by 2nd November 4:30 SGT. And to avoid any dispute, just a competition. Please, we reserve the right to give the token of appreciation. All the best. Enjoy the match. Thanks for the support.